Whenever you feel confused, overwhelmed, or anxious, the best antidote is to spend time in nature because it balances and relaxes your senses. And how does this occur? Nature is full of textures, colors, shapes, and sounds. And we are automatically attracted, and hence we connect. The moment we connect, we realize how much we live inside our head. And this changes our perspective towards everything in our life. When our perspective changes, we automatically accept and align to the present. So, do spend some time in nature, my dear friends.